So hello friends, today I'll be playing a 1 minute game on chess.com. So let's find an opponent. Okay, so we have found. So the clock begins. My rating is 1435. My opponent is 1453. I go with the King's Gambit. So these are great openings, especially in the bullet, so that you can spice up the game with no opening preparation. It becomes beautiful. Okay, so actually, I think he was supposed to capture the knight because after say g captures on f3, the if the knight moves, the bishop can come here. This diagonal is very weak, so now he captures. Okay, now I just simply castle, and now I have some beautiful attacking chances, I believe. Okay, the bishop can drop back to b3. Not a problem. I can just push. He can play this, then I can play this so that my bishop doesn't get trapped. I can move my knight here, try to attack. Okay, so this was very obvious. Okay, so I need to be careful because it was a rook a1 checkmate. Okay, so now, okay, let me play here because the queen can come on a1. But still, everything still looks defended nicely. I mean, there aren't many attacking chances. So what's the point on bringing the queen here? Okay, now let's bring the knight here with the threat of this. Okay, so oh god, I blundered it. Oh god. Even he blundered it, and it was a beautiful blunder. Okay, but now I was lucky enough, but it was a blunder. I mean, he was quite fast at it. I've got to agree. So let's just put here. Let's capture and then put the bishop. I mean, queen here. Okay, no worries. Look, bishop can drop, and now this should be a checkmate. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I mean my game. Okay, so he's asking for a rematch. So let's play another match. So this video will get longer. Okay, so this is c4. In this I go with c6, and after that I play with the dragon variation. So this is called as the English opening. Okay, now let's just castle, and after playing d6, let's improve our position. Queen to c7. Okay, I didn't see this. Okay, the knight can come to b4, obviously, and now I can play a4 so that knight to a6 is a good square, after which the knight can come on. Okay, so this is the most obvious plan, that white tries to trade this, but he blundered this. Okay, so I was telling that in fianchetto position, white generally tries to trade the dark squared bishop so that he can have attacking chances. Now I'm going to play rook to g8, so it stops further invasion of white enemy forces. Can I just play knight here? If bishop captures knight, bishop captures. Okay, still not a problem, but this square, I think that I should bring my knight back. There's no problem in bringing your pieces back if you need them somewhere else. See, if I capture, the queen captures on us. Okay, I have got no time. It's a bullet game. I could also play bishop to f5, cutting this queen's diagonal and putting the pressure. Okay, the knight captures. I'm going to capture because I'm already up an exchange, right? Now I can play here. Okay, nice move, but I'll play this. If he in case opens this file, it will be way too dangerous for him. But somehow I'm trying to sneak in through his position. And after here I have this. Okay, and it's a checkmate. So it was a nice little checkmate. So thank you for watching my video, and if you love this game, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe my channel. You will continuously keep getting some of my most attacking games. I usually play attacking games, not many, but sometimes, and I record them and post it on my channel. So when I play these attacking games, you'll surely get notified about them. So subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.